Good afternoon. Bloomberg News. Earlier today,
彭博社提问：今天早上，菲律宾方面和中国海上民兵船发生了撞击，外交部对此有何回应？
据我了解
According to my knowledge, the fact is that the Philippines official vessel sailed dangerously in waters under China's jurisdiction and had collisions with Chinese fishing boats conducting normal operation in the water. The moves by the Philippines violated China's sovereignty, seriously threatened the safety of Chinese fishing boats and personnel. China urges the Philippines to earnestly abide by China's territorial sovereignty and maritime rights and interests in the South China Sea, stop any moves that may complicate the situation.